The campaign against animal diseases such as the African swine fever or ASF and avian influenza or bird flu ramps up through the vaccination program. The Agriculture Department says 4 applicants for ASF vaccine and another 5 for bird flu are in various trial stages at the Veterinary Laboratory Division of the Bureau of Animal Industry.
Once approved and okay na tayo sa mga lahat ng protocols, then we will recommend for purchase na or approval.
A memorandum of agreement between the DA and the Food and Drug Administration or FDA is also in the works to hasten vaccine rollout.
Yung batas na pinasa sa Food Security Act nakasama na even animals. So for the longest time, ang bahay lahat ang gumagawa niyan eh. Then ngayon because of that, ina-assume na ng FDA yung role nila. So kailangan natin magmowa sa kanila. Baka wala silang enough wala silang laboratory or personnel na kulang. So yun ang ilalagay natin sa MOA.
While ASF and bird flu cases are on the decline, the government says it is monitoring a number of provinces for the possible resurgence of cases. On top of addressing animal disease, the agriculture sector gets more funds in the proposed national budget for 2024, such as 64.5 billion pesos from fund realignment to improve food production and anticipate price increases. 20 billion pesos for the rice subsidy program, 2 billion pesos for the Philippine Coconut Authority, 1.5 billion pesos for ASF vaccines, 1 billion pesos for the Philippine Fisheries Development Authority, and 40 billion pesos for the National Irrigation Administration.
Malaki pa, more than 1 million hectares pa yung irrigable na hindi pa irrigated. So itong additional na budget ay makakatulong para una, labanan ng El Nino, pangalawa, para madagdagan talaga yung irrigable area na matutubigan.
The Agriculture Department says it will also strengthen efforts to industrialize the agriculture sector.
We want to ensure na magkaroon ng level up o large-scale production yung ating agri-sector at production level and yung processing level para ma-ensure natin na talagang yung productivity plus access to market ay magkatuwang.
EJ Gomez, CNN Philippines.